Please give a like, share, comment, subscribe. Sunrise Boss. Yeah, man. Actually, me make a catcher with my old towel. You see it? Yeah, man, you just fold it round. Put it on your head. You know the thing set, though? Yeah, man. Oh. You know where this is going, you know? So I go right on the head. Now, say I go 45. Yeah, man. This I go right on the head, you know. Alright, show you the distance when we have to walk, but yeah, man, all those are mango that drop off of the tree. Yeah, I walk go to the core skill spot, you know, you see it. Yeah, man, there in the bush. Yeah. Yeah, man, so we do it in the bush. Yeah. Certain things set down. Yeah, man. Core skill we are going to build. Yeah. Gotta walk with all these weight on my head. Oh fuck. See that? It a run your fuck. Oh fuck. It a run, man. Yeah. But so I gonna have to come pack up all I wood them up here so you see it. Cause right this way I gonna make the core skill. Yeah, man. So I have to carry all of them now. From down the spot, I'll show you. Come pack up here, so. Yeah, man. So the thing set. Just I do what we got. Just I do what we have to do, though. Yeah, man. So Sunrise Boss, they live for morning, I wake. They are do some work. I say thing set. That's why I smoke the high grade ganja, cause that keep me going. Think of chattings. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I go and shove it on shoulder. And fork on shoulder. I head in the bush. You see it? I have a core skill. I want to pack. So she said she want to experience it. So you know the thing said. I said Sunrise rock it down. Yeah, man. She puffing smoke. You actually reach the spot. All of them here, I want to use them to burn some coal. You see? Yeah. Full time now. So, remember what if the thing fork. Yeah, so all I hear, so now, I gotta clean out. You see it, so that me I deal with that now. A chop bush. Actually, I want a crush stick. Yeah, I start, I want to bend up. You're good at you. Yeah, for instance, want it to go like so. To clear away, and you have to do, yeah? You see it? This more want it for. Yeah, man. 4 skills, please. Yeah. So all of them are going to burn, so you're going to see big fire. Yeah, and see like how I clear this now, so I use the fork and find out where dirt then. Digging up back. Hopefully go good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, see that fire catching now. So I tell you, kind of make some rough clean up. Use the fork and dig up them place here now, but see it there. Whole heap of fire go there in the bush now. Long time they don't see some smoke get up in the bush. Well, I hopefully I don't have to fret nobody near me when I go burn them out. I just the bush I go burn out. Because a dry time in Jamaica, you know, if you real light no fire, but then at the woodland, you know what things it. Burning the fire. Yeah, man. And 45 days I go and lock it. Yeah, man, with that I go and do. Burning the fire. Oh. You see it, that we are talking about, man. Fire burning in the bush. Yeah, man, hopefully all them places maybe time for come, we can farm up them places there, you see it? You know things said fire burning. Fire burning. Fire burning. Yeah, man, burning deep in the bush. Yeah, and mommy did everything phone, same way I go on video and you know things said 45 down a bush there, see somebody and a bark off and then same way, cause you know things said. Yeah, man.
Remember the movie say, God damn Demi and use that bar.
Yeah, see that dog thirsty, so shovel me I use, I do some work. I have to give him some water, so I drink some ice water like when we are drink tea. I said, yeah man, that's how I treat them. I see they all over there so burn out there now. And me start with some digging and throw some dirt on the side. Actually them there, you know so them have a pack, you see it? Yeah man. The
You had it on that one stirred.
yeah.
The one so the one.
Yeah. Actually, like for instance, you're gonna pack it like something like that. Then you get and you pack from one another. Yeah. You just keep on pack and pack and pack. And then you gotta trash it. Put banana leaf over it and stuff. Then you gotta cover it back with the dirt. And yeah, you're gonna get some coal. Yeah man, you gotta light it. You're gonna see how it's popping. For real. You're gonna see. You're gonna see. Yeah man, you see where I'm going? Actually she there I work up the fork, you know. You see it? Yeah man. So I would have thought so the old lady could climb the hill. You see, so the old lady I work the fork now. Yeah, she working the fork, she doing it. Yeah man, for real. Yeah, we in the core skill bed actually. Yeah man, you remember earlier on the whole of here so it's full of beard dirt and beard bushes and everything, and actually you see it, we clean it out and stuff, yeah. So all the mud and stuff and we're packing here so and make a cow skill, you know what I mean? Maybe no fun you know what I talk about, but you know I go see when it near if it done what I really talk about. You see it? Yeah man, we there in the bush 45 did so. Any move me say catch him, skip, catch him, skip, skip, catch him, skip, 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 catch him, skip. See that? Anything me say I'm doing. Yeah man. So don't bother feel so you can sneak up in the bush. So when I say get him, 45 gonna get him. Yeah man. Actually this is what we gonna get still when we burn all those wood and stuff. Yeah, this is what we're gonna come out with, some coal and, you know what I mean? Yeah, we use these things to cook, to jerk chicken, to jerk pork, to cook, to bake, a lot of things. You're gonna see that. Yeah, man. That's how we do it for real. They are put in the work. Yeah. I clean up the poor skill bed cars. You want to burn out them. You see what things said. Easy boy. Don't cut him short. Don't cut him short. We don't have the money to spend. Don't cut him short. Yeah. But today I go and clean out the poor skill bed. You see it? I remember all over them places earlier on at the beer fire. You see it? So look how much work me and my American friend doing now. In a little time now, maybe 2 hours, hour and a half. You see it, you put in work, you see how she work the fork and thing, so. You know what thing set. You just do what we have to do. Yeah, man. Hopefully maybe that video is running a 4 episode or 5 episode. I don't know how much episode, but it's gonna run in certain episode. Is it? Okay. Yeah, man, as you can see earlier on, we put in some work and I head back home here now. That's it, see, that's how we do it. In the bush, nice and cool. Just got this tough sunrise. Boss, you see it, now do nothing. But from we say we are going to tour the bush, just make sure you know we are going to tour the bush. So if you are come visit the boss, make sure say you bring your shoes or you know so you can tour the bush and your long pants and all those stuff. Cause you know we're gonna tour the bush. Yeah, man. Actually, I reach back home already, you see it, so my course skill now the forefront when me there, you see it. So just make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel because you know a Sunrise Boss I talk to you live and direct. I want to them, I'm out.